Right then guys, welcome back to another episode of Custom Tom. This one is a Christmas Eve, I wouldn't say special, but it's Christmas Eve on. Let's go to my heating on. So right, anyway, yeah, so welcome back. Hope you're enjoying the cam videos, the valve clearances videos. Now, as you know, there's still one more to do, but I've used two cameras and a microphone on that one, a microphone on my phone for that one, so it's taken a long time to edit, and with the updates to my videos, and right P in the A. Since then though, it's been about 3 weeks since I did them, the valve clearances. I've completely redone me garage, me workshop, so to speak. So I'll just quickly give you a show on that, and I'll show the helmet and then. So what I've done here is I'm still doing stuff. So now I've got rid of that big bench that was there. I said I was going to clean it up, didn't I? Big rack has been moved. The drawers that were there full of paint, that's gone. I've moved that there with the bench drill. New tool board, yay! Another bench there, and me vice, and a little bench there. That's been thrown. There's stuff in here that, you know, stuff for the house still in there. Uh-oh. And yeah, just general tidy up there, really. So it's a lot better than it was. Right, so back to visit an ass, I think. It's only a quick one. Are we in the right position? Can you see me? Will you see me? There, I think. Right, so as you know, I've had this helmet for a year now. Brilliant helmet. As with most pin locks, you have to change them every year or every 18 months or whatever, and this one has actually gone. So I've been looking on Sports Bike Direct and Sports Bike Shop and eBay and stuff like that. Never get them off eBay. They can be crap. So we've been looking on there, and while I'm at it, I was entering competitions for motorcycle equipment. As you can see, the visor here, it's just coming up there and it just gets foggy and foggy all the time. So I need a new pin lock for there. And like I was saying, entering competitions and stuff like that. Here is what I've won, and this is only half of it, trust me. I've not opened this just yet, so let's crack her open. And it was on the RST, hashtag RS3 giveaway, and it was day 5, and I shared it on my Twitter page. You can follow me on Twitter if you want. That's custom_Tom. And well, this is what I've won. It was you win any AGV or array, whatever you pronounce it, helmet, and either a suit or a two-piece, and some motor bundle type thing. So the two-piece, I've ordered the two-piece airbag jacket, the Sabre stuff from RST, because the suit, as you saw in one of my videos, didn't really fit me that well. I had to get it extended. So I've ordered trousers and jacket, the Sabre, and hopefully that's good. The only difference is it's two-piece and it doesn't come with a hump. So anyway, wash and wax for your bike. That's the motor stuff. I was hoping it was a series, but never mind, it's free. So this is, I've ordered the Glossy Carbon Pista helmet. And this is what it comes with. I have not a clue what that is. Big bike valve. That'll be for your drink supply, won't it? What's this here? Looks like some sort of cover, another valve thing for your mouthpiece, is it? I don't know. Earplugs. Oil for visor mechanism, so that's pretty damn sweet. Not showing you helmet yet. Some foam inserts, adaptive fit kit. 360 adaptive fit, because apparently you can adjust all the insides of the helmet to make it fit your head perfectly. Oh, that's meant to be in there by the looks of it. Oh, something else is falling out. Here's that pin lock I was after for my other helmet, the AGV K5. Brilliant helmet. I will keep that. What's this here? Don't know what that is. Is that the rip-offs? When you're racing? No, they'll come in handy never. For me, I'll get race. This is the pin lock. So there must be the to keep your visor clean. And look at the bag it comes in. Look at that, it's so soft. AGV. Nothing it. Oh. Yeah, as I say, I'm waiting for the kit. But this, my friends, is the Pista. What is this called? The Pista is this called. £999 for free, just by liking a post. Look at that. Wow. No, I'm not going to tell you everything about it because I don't really know that much about it. I just knew this is the one I wanted. Because, oh, so smooth. That's it is a bit heavier, that is, but it's not that much heavier. Yeah, there you are. It's got a pro spoiler. Look at that. Apparently that comes off during a bad crash, so it'll snap off straight away during a bad crash to stop you from wrecking your neck. That's just there to stop you for the aerodynamics, obviously. Apparently this has been modelled with Valentino Rossi's head inside it. Not this specific one, but because it's made a GP helmet, isn't it? So 100% carbon, FIM racing homologated helmet. Got 190 degrees vision across there and 85 degrees up there, so that's basically you can see everything other than, you know, below your nose. So it's proper good, that 190 degrees. I don't think we are peripherals 190, is it? I don't know. Looking at 360 adaptive fit. So it's got a I've watched someone's video on this, by the way. It's got a click fit there, 5mm thick visor. Apparently, and you can just click it once and you've still got a gap there. And you can click it down again. And look at that for it. This is so the screen doesn't come off when you crash, so it obviously protects your face. And if you look at this bit here, look how it goes forward there. Now it pivots on about 5 different hinges. That's brilliant, that. I'll just show you what the old one looks like. This is not the GPR, this is just the K5. So obviously this is just one single pivot on this helmet visor. I can just get her on. I'm not taking that off because I don't know how to do that visor. So yeah, you can see a massive gap there, so that'll probably cause a tiny bit of drag. And it doesn't move other than there. But look at that. See, it's already getting foggy and this one isn't. So yeah, they're the difference. Apparently just do something with that. I haven't read anything, so that's how that comes off. So yeah, lovely helmet. I'm going to order some. Oh, there's the mouthpiece for you. It goes into hump apparently for the is it Alpine Store suits? I can't remember which one it is. With a hump at the back. But anyway, yeah, I've ordered some. I'm going to order some numbers because I want some numbers on this. 87, 12 Tom, obviously. That's me because I'm tall and I was born in 87. So yeah. So that's that. Gorgeous helmet. And right then. So there's that. Updates on the bike. Right. You saw that video about my seat. I wasn't that chuffed with it, was I? That expensive, that little seat I put on it. I wasn't going to keep that. As you've seen, I've put the old seat back on, and I've decided to get a solo seat that fits the bike. So I'm waiting until after Christmas to order it. It's going to have to be painted again. And hopefully it doesn't have to be have the subframe chopped up, because I'd like to keep some, but most of it's original, so when I sell it someone can put it all back to dual seats and whatnot. So yeah, there is that. Anyway, that'll be green, and again I'm going to put the number boards on the side of each of the hump and on the side of it, and then I've 87 12 Tom. I've already got that somewhere, I can't remember where I put them. But absolutely chuffed with that. Thank you RST, thank you very much. Anyway, have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't post the video before after Christmas and before New Year. I'm hoping to. Like I said, it's just taking ages to edit it because I normally just have this camera or the GoPro cheap camera. And that's that. I've been busy inside the house. I've done the toilet, the bathroom again. Just needing a new sink. Obviously you saw that in other videos, that's gone now. It's in. Yeah, have a good Christmas. Ho ho ho.